Every license of SolidWorks 2010 includes SustainabilityXpress, which is great news because it's a tool that finally gives designers insight into the environmental impact of their designs. Take this drive sled. It's a little metal drive sled. We can easily find out its environmental impact. We simply have to specify its material, specify its manufacturing process, and then we choose the regions in which it will be manufactured as well as used. We have a number of regions to choose from, but in this case I'm going with the defaults, which is made in Asia and utilized in North America. Now at the bottom you can see the environmental impact is calculated in 4 key areas: carbon emissions, total energy consumed, and air and water pollutants. We'll set this design as our baseline, and we'd like to compare it to other designs so we can determine if we can make a meaningful change. Here we're going to look at a plastic drive sled. Again, I'll define its material. It's an ABS polycarbonate blend. I'll keep the manufacturing and use regions the same, but it's an injection molded part. Right away at the bottom we can see that this design has a greater impact. It may not be the direction we'd like to go in, but perhaps a material change could yield a better result, and that's why SustainabilityXpress includes a Find Similar Material tool. I'm going to search out plastics that have similar tensile strengths to ABS PC. It gives me a full list that I can further refine, and when I have a suspect material I'd like to look at, I simply click on that material, and you can see the graphs at the bottom of the form compare it to the baseline. Nylon 610 has exceptional results, so I'm going to go ahead and accept that for my design. So I've targeted 2 designs, a steel drive sled and a plastic drive sled, and I have an understanding of their environmental impact. With one mouse click I can communicate this information clearly throughout my organization. SustainabilityXpress will generate a report which will compare the 2 designs, explain each category of analysis, and show how the 2 designs compare within each category. It's a great way to communicate the information throughout your organization and ultimately make better choices and decisions.